Joy. I'm the CEO and founder of Dr. Joy Dental Clinics in Dubai. We started a journey 20 years back with just a small clinic and me as an orthodontist there. And now we've grown to 14 clinics with almost 85 plus dentists. During this process of scaling up the operations, you started using the Align digital platform for all our treatments. We started off with just the Invisalign with the iTero scanners, and then now we have moved across by offering it for all our patients in the diagnostics as well as in the restorative aspects. And this is how we are able to deliver quality care for all our patients in all our clinics. I really see digital dentistry playing an even bigger role in how we work and how we care for our patients in the future. Our goal is to go completely digital, involving not just orthodontics but restorative and the pediatric practice. And the Align digital platform is a fantastic tool because what it does is it gets all the team all working on the same platform, seeing the patient's record, and when the patient transitions from the pediatric, it could be a pediatric patient transitioning to an orthodontic treatment or getting a restorative treatment for the same patient, so they all can work together, and the collaboration is so much greater to get the patient the best outcome for the treatment. Digital dentistry also makes our dentists happy because they get the best tool to work on, treatments are more accurate, and the patients are happy too. Because the outcome is fantastic. So how the patient experiences the Align digital platform all starts firstly with the scan, and that progresses to the planning, the treating, the monitoring, and even the retention on this platform, which gives the patient a smooth and consistent experience right from the start to the finish. Scanner was a game changer in our practice because, traditional dentistry, you have the dentist pouring in the mouth and telling the patient what treatment was advisable for him. But now we have the patients getting scanned, he sees right in front of him the image of his teeth, and it's a visualization which is so much more powerful than just telling the patient what he needs. And it's also fantastic for the young children because they're so tech savvy nowadays. So they come in, they see this, they see their teeth in the screens. It's so much more interactive, and this has driven our conversion rates higher, much higher than what we expected. So it's an amazing tool in our practice. Yeah, another technology that the iTero scanner has is that they have something called NIRI technology, whereby pregnant women or very small children who probably can't do x-rays, and this technology helps us to detect decay even without the x-rays, completely safe and harmless, which I think is also very useful. The Invisalign outcome simulator is an amazing tool. Because what happens is the patient at the first consultation, they actually get to see how their smile looks at the end of the journey. And that's amazing because most patients are really taken aback when they see how their smile could possibly be after the treatment. And this has really made them excited to start the treatment. Now, when it comes to the planning phase of the treatment with Invisalign, there's a lot of advances that have recently happened, which makes the efficiency much more greater for the patient. Because one is the in-phase visualization tool, whereby the orthodontist is able to actually see the changes in the face of the patient, which makes the treatment planning much more efficient. We are also very excited about the ClinCheck signature experience that we are hopefully rolling out very soon in our clinics. So what it does is it reduces the lag time between when the orthodontist sends the ClinCheck for the approval and when you receive it. Because of the machine learning algorithms that Invisalign uses, you get it so much more faster. And what it does is that the patient's waiting time to get the aligner and start their treatment is so much shorter. This makes the whole process so much more efficient. To further enhance our patient experience, we are very excited about the ClinCheck Smile video that we're hopefully implementing soon. I've seen this, and what it does is actually it shows the patient how the new smile looks while they are talking and speaking, when they are just smiling, and they can create short video clips. So it's a different ball game as compared to just seeing your static image with the new smile. I think this is going to be fantastic and showing patients how they look and to increase the conversions for the treatments. So when it comes to aligner treatments, why we chose Invisalign is because of their patented technologies that ensures a predictable and comfortable treatment and result for the patients. Because when we want to treat our patients, we want to give them the best that we can offer. And we're convinced that Invisalign has the advanced technologies, they're constantly innovating, and that's the whole difference that we want to give to our patients. Virtual care helps us to monitor the patients remotely. That's the main advantage. And what it helps us is to save our the clinicians' time. The patients are happy because they don't have to travel to the clinic every time. Everyone's busy in their lives. So using the digital tools, what we can do is we can monitor the patient's progress, see if everything's going well by just sending their photographs across. So in order to benefit from the virtual care, patients have to download the My Invisalign app, where they can upload their photographs, send it to the doctor. It also helps them in reminders, for when the aligner changes. This keeps them engaged with the treatment, and it's a great tool for, I think, most of patients that use the My Invisalign app in our practice. So after orthodontic treatment, once you get your teeth all straightened out, retention is such an important part if you want to maintain that smile. I always tell my patients that, just as we age, our skin will sag, your teeth is always going to move. If you want to keep it there, you better have a retainer on. And Vivera retainers is a fantastic option from Invisalign because it's made of the same high quality material that they use for the aligners. They give them 3 pairs. We always give it to our patients and they love it. So after we give the retainers for our patients, normally they would come in for regular checkups just to see if everything's okay. Now they even don't have to do that because you have virtual care, which helps us monitor if everything's okay virtually. So that's how the whole digital journey gets completed using this Align digital platform. So when I started practicing dentistry 25 years back, everything was analog. We had impressions and there was nothing digital. And now we see, we hardly use impressions, everything is digital. And I think it's only going to get better in the future. It's just amazing.